I'm curious, how many people have cancer because they drank that?
Coca-Cola? Listen, sugar's dangerous, and we want to be the first ones to tell you, warning.
And a lot of people, even like people in the nutrition community, will say, cane sugar's fine. Coconut sugar's fine. Sugar is sugar is sugar.
No, in fact, the top eating disorder clinic in the world will tell you the best way to transition from our intensive program is to eat donuts and pizza.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe. Did you guys know that in therapy, they would feed me Swedish fish and Oreos, and I would eat them all by myself? I was the only fat kid in that group because I ate all the food there.
I really had a feeling this was wrong because I saw my mom being really good. She'd lost hundreds of pounds and then she'd gain it back. And you know what the thing was? Walker's shortbread, which if you don't know is basically flour and sugar. And that was always the thing that would tip her back into her addiction. And when she did Overeaters Anonymous, which is like AA, FA, OA, NA, what's their abstinence? You think it's a lot easier actually to get rid of cocaine or alcohol. No shame if you're an addict to those substances, but in fact, it's a little bit easier. I'm just going to call it out. You never have to have cocaine ever again. You never have to look at it. You never have to have alcohol again. Ever, ever, ever. But food is something you have to eat and look at all day long.
So how do you get off sugar? The first way you get off sugar is by eliminating it from all of your cabinets, eliminate it from your house.
Well, first figure out where it's coming in. Believe it or not, Penelope, a lot of our members have no idea. Oh, well, I had tuna fish salad for lunch. Well, in the mayo, there's sugar. Oh, well, I had panda for dinner. Well, anything at a Chinese food restaurant pretty much is going to have sugar in the sauce.
I'm going to recommend you guys all pause the video and write down 5 of your favorite recipes. Okay, now that you've unpaused the video, you guys can now write out how you would remake those 5 recipes using whole ingredients and only things like allulose or monk fruit as your swap for sugar, and you'll use like buckwheat or millet as your swap for flour. Now you guys are going to get creative and you're going to start losing weight, feeling better, and starving your microbes of the nutrients that they don't want.
So we're not saying you should be like deprived of flavor because we're all about flavor. I was in MasterChef. I'm very serious about food and everyone in my life knows it. I love food and flavor does need that sweet element. Now, I used to be involved in a health neurotic community and these people didn't have any sugar. And let me tell you, they were not nice people. So you definitely need that sweet flavor, not only for flavor, but also because like it actually is important for your nervous system.
That is hilarious. I didn't even know about that correlation. That's funny.
But didn't you notice all those people were super grumpy and mean?
They were very mean and grumpy.
I looked around. I'm like, this place is amazing. But like, what's up with the people? They're all grumpy and mean.
They got to eat berries. It was once a week. That was my favorite day of the week.
Yeah.
Yeah. Theirs too, actually. They would tell me, it's my favorite day of the week, it's berry day. I'm like, wow. Hey, you guys, their cancer was reversed. It's quite amazing. Allulose and monk fruit. That's your best friend. Those are my best friends. I love stevia. Stevia's getting controversial now. I don't care. Allulose, monk fruit, do it.
Sprout your grains, grind them yourself, honestly.
And stop overcomplicating it, because you're going to say, I don't have time, I don't have money. Well, those hospital bills are going to add up later on. And, you having to keep buying new clothes because you're getting fatter and fatter, that's going to add up too. And you eating out all the time, it's going to add up. So you're going to save money making food at home. You guys know something really funny? A girl said to me this week, I'm going to join your program on Friday, and instead of spending money on food out, I'm going to spend it on your program. And I'm helping her right now.
Smart girl.
She's a smart girl. And I spent 5 minutes with the girl, and she was like convinced that we could help her. And that's amazing because she'd been trying for a long time.
Change your diet, change your life. Change your diet, change your mood. Change your food, change your
mood.
Skin.
You guys don't want to lose skin. Change your diet, change your skin. Change
if you're
your
sick
diet,
all the
change
time,
your mind.
I mean, honestly, and you know what? Your doctor probably didn't know. He didn't get a lot of nutrition education. Your parents definitely didn't know because they weren't given nutrition education.
It's your responsibility.
It's totally your responsibility. You might have learned a little bit in home economics if you're my age, but then again, chances are you didn't. So you got to learn, you got to figure it out, and I mean really learn to cook. Learn how to create flavor.
And join our program if you want to learn how to cook. Join our Substack if you want our recipes. Join our 7-day sugar-free detox if you want to learn how to detox off of sugar.
Hey, and you might say, it's the holidays, or I'll do it in the new year.
Do it now, or you'll never do it. That's the truth. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.